So this is E70 X5M rear differential. This part and the other side, it just came loose, dropping all the oil. It took me about 4 weeks to be able to get a new lug ring. Part number for the rear lug ring is going to be 33107. This is going to be for the axle shaft lug ring for the E70 X5M. So this is my way to separate. Give me a moment, I gotta do it first. So now it's just a little bit of scratching, but it's no big deal. And now I should be able to just pull it out. Now this is a little bit different from the rest of all the cars. They do have the lug ring, I believe it's right here, but when you pull it out, it stays. Hold on, let me put this aside. Just put it right here. So when you pull it out, the ring is going to stay there. Wait, it's going to be down here. I want to focus, but it won't let me. Anyway, so you can see right here. So when you put the new one, it's basically going to be the same step. You got to put this ring first down here and then drop that one in. Because I don't really have a lot of information about doing the service for the seal and the ring on this truck. I was struggling doing it the other side, the other way, which is having the ring here and then putting the whole thing and snap it in. It doesn't work like that on this differential. I was struggling for a few hours till I tried this way, this method. You first place the lug ring and then you put this one in, because that way the ring is going to expand to the sides and give you enough room for this guy to go all the way in. If you do it all the way, this part right here doesn't have the clearance for the ring to shrink and pop in. It's actually the other way around. It will expand to the side. There's a lot of play here. So that's how you put it in. All right, hopefully this help you. So look, I already have the new lug ring halfway in. Now let me focus this motherfucker. There you go. You see, it has a lot of play now. So now what I have to do is find the right spot. I think this one. Oh, that's it. Never mind. Hold on, let me do it with both hands. I'm just gonna lock in.
I won't let my moderate to severe flash rise until compliant.
Emerge as new in 2 clinical studies.
Alright. Okay, for this one I had to use a little bit more force, and I needed to use this guy. I tap it just a little bit more harder than I would. That I had it to do with the other side, but it worked. So now I have new lug rings on the E70 X5M. Now it's time to put it back and get it back in the road. Easy fix. It just takes time to get the parts. Next project to fix the SMG on this guy. All right.